I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this because it actually works. It's fully updated and it is super cool. Hey guys, do you enjoy the game Zooba? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited gems in Zooba. So as you can see, I'm going to open up the Zooba game, and as you can see, I'm low on gems, but when I press this button, it brings up a mod menu and I can get unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn this up all the way. So let's see if the gems go up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Zooba mod. So as you can see, I got 460 gems. So let's see if it goes up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So come on guys, give me some gems. So let's see if it goes up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, this is what we got, and bang guys, the gems are going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the Zooba mod so you can get unlimited gems. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do guys is go to this site, tweakmod.com, and just go to the search bar, type in Zooba, press on it, press install, and the mod will start downloading. So now you just wait for it to finish downloading here. As you can see, we got the Apple and Android logo. So then it will download and you'll be rich, and then you'll have unlimited gems.